Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend on TV. All right, so first up, make sure that your TV supports LocalSend. So you can go ahead and open up your TV's App Store or Play Store if you're using Android TV. All right, and then go ahead and find LocalSend. If LocalSend is natively supported, well, go ahead and install it. And once that's installed, a few things to keep in mind. Make sure that your TV and your other devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection as well. All right, so once that's done, let's go ahead and open up LocalSend. Now, as you can see here at the top, I have my TV, and at the bottom, I have my computer. So let's just go ahead and try to receive some files from our computer straight to our TV. All right, so on my computer, I'm going to go ahead and open up LocalSend as well, just for you to see. I'm going to tap on send, and then I'm going to go ahead and select maybe a file, just a photo, just for example. All right, I'm going to tap on open. Then here we have the file. So the name of our TV's LocalSend account is Hot Tomato. All right, so in here we have Hot Tomato as well. Don't know if you can see it clearly, but here we have it, Hot Tomato. So select it. Now on your specific TV, all you got to do is just hit on accept. All right, accept, and then just wait for the process to finish. Allow right here to access photos and media, and then hit on done. There you go. If you want to check the photo or where it was saved, just go ahead over to the very top, or at the top right, you have the recent icon right here. Select it. Here we have it. You can open up the folder right here. Open folder depending on your TV, or just download a file explorer so that you can open up the specific media or file. All right. This one depends on what TV you got. So some TVs got file explorer, some don't have it. All right. So that is how you use LocalSend on TV. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.